Hello, shout out guys. Welcome back to my channel, Topak on Food Travels. Today, I'm going to share with you guys the grilled garlic fish served with saffron butter and coconut milk sauce. Ang maganda dito sa buffet na to guys, they're going to prepare in front of you at talagang isi-serve pa nila na mainit. And then yung fish at the same time, kagri-grilled lang yan, pati yung veggies na nilalagay nila. At napaka eleganteng tignan. Parang feel mo na sa five-star hotel ka na rin. And then, yung feel mo na, wow, ang lakas makayaman. Ganon, no? Di ba? Yung feeling na, wow, ang lakas makayaman. And look at that, guys. Nagugutom na ako ulit. And yun na yung sauce. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Topak on Food Travels. Woot, 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 woot. Kainan na guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go! Yum, 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 yum.